nothing in the mountain. It's nature.
Oh yes, that's correct.
And the other mountain is smaller.
Which one?
The one I see.
Oh wow. Is it over there?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, that one. Okay. Okay. What else?
There is something, a flag. It is a flag.
What?
A flag.
A flag?
Yeah.
Where?
That one, but an airplane.
An airplane.
Yeah.
And
A train.
we're riding the train right now.
How about a car? How about a cell phone?
What? The cell phone?
Yes. A cell phone.
What else?
There's people. Look at that.
Yeah, they are hiking. They are walking around the mountain.
Doing with nature.
Yeah, with nature.
And they will go back home
Maybe next time.
next time,
Yeah.
like us.
Oh, there's a cow over there.
And that one, that mountain broke.
See?
That mountain breaks apart
Yeah, a little bit.
a little bit. It breaks apart.
Yeah.
Why did it break apart?
I also don't know.
Because it was bigger than that mountain. Because that was bigger than that mountain.
Maybe.
Yes?
Maybe.
Yes?
Yes.
And then it smashed apart.
Yep.
Later that one will smash apart. Later that one will smash apart. Later that one will smash apart.
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah, later.
Next time.
Next time.
But that one just do damage. And with nothing anymore. Nothing anymore.
Wow.
Only trees.
Only trees?
Now there's only trees.
Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of trees.
And that one will not break apart.
Yeah. Are you finished?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.